is about a 9-minute video in which we'll just discuss how to launch a Dragnet marketing video page. And the first thing that we need to do is realize that each video page actually demands a separate email account. So if you want to create more than one video page, you're going to need to have more than one email address. So I like to use Gmail for that. You can use Hotmail or any free email provider, but you probably know how to do this. I'm going to go ahead and run you through launching a Gmail account so that you can generate more addresses, as many as you need. So here, just log on to Gmail, go to the home page and hit the Gmail icon here up in the left corner of the page, and then have to sign up. Down here there's that link, and I'm just going to use the autofill. I've prepared that, but you can fill these out yourself, and then you have to choose a login name. So I'm going to choose Dragnet Marketing 3 at gmail.com. That's the new email address I'm launching for this actually just for this video. You have to slip a password in there. Now, and then they ask a security question and make you go through those security issues in the agreement. So while I'm doing this, let me just ask the question: why would you want to launch more than one video page? Well, there'd be numerous reasons, probably. I mean, one reason would be that maybe you want to create a website that consists of all video pages. So you might want 6 pages there, or even more. Possibly, for example, I know parents who are involved in team sports. Okay, their kids go to school, they play on sports teams, and there may be 4 or 5 sports teams at a certain school. Maybe you might want to have a video page for each sports team at that school and manage those pages. Or maybe you just want to do this professionally and grab maybe service some companies, network some companies together, shoot video for them, make some dollars off of that, and create some ad space for yourself too that you could profit from. But in any case, there is numerous reasons why you may want to have more than one video page, and these video pages demand, like I said, the dedicated email addresses. So we've set that up on Gmail. We've been successfully. So let's go to dragnetmarketing.com, and we'll go ahead and launch a new video page from there. So I just typed it in here and did a search for it. There it is, Dragnet Marketing. You can type the address in, www.dragnetmarketing.com, and that'll take you straight to a video page that the Dragnet Marketing video page. And let me show you around on this a little bit. There's a scrolling text area that really is endless. You can type as much text in there as you want. It has active links in it. You can put active links in there. The welcome message also has active links. I stuck an email link in there, so it just launches my email browser. Down at the bottom in the advertising area, you can stick an image in there as an advertisement. I just stuck Dragnet Marketing in there, and it took us back to the page. And then here's the video player, and this is video number 1. It's in position number 1 on that vertical bar next door. So, and then of course here's the get a video page. This is the viral aspect of Dragnet Marketing's video pages. And you click that, and you can go ahead and launch. Anyone from any page can click that and go ahead and launch their own video page. So let's do that. DragnetMarketing3 at gmail.com. That's my username. And then of course I'll stick a password in here and confirm it, and then just sign up. And that takes you to a congratulations message. And it says you're going to get an email about this. So let's go back and check that email address that we also used as our username. So we'll go back to Gmail. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the home page here, the Google home page, and back to Gmail this way. Normally they'd want you to log in, but it seems as though Dragnet Marketing 3 is already logged in. And sure enough, there's the name up there, so you can identify. I mean, if you have 10 email addresses, you want to be able to know which account you're logged in on. But here's the account activation message from Dragnet Marketing. It says you may log in at seattlecharitynetwork.com/admin. That's where we have the administration hosted right now. But it says you have to activate first. So click here. It says your account has been activated successfully. You are being redirected to the login page. So when you hit OK, that's where you'll go, to the Dragnet Marketing login. There it is. So let's log into our new video page account. We'll type in our username, dragnetmarketing3@gmail.com. Stick the password in there. And that should get us right into the administrative controls. So this is where you manage the video page, and you notice these first two: add company info and edit company info. This deals mostly with the text on your page. So if we hit add company info and then go and put the company name in, that company name, that action, by adding that actually initiates the video page on the World Wide Web. So we'll call this Dragnet test page. The address is important because you can, we can use that to identify where you are, and there may be companies that we know that want to buy ads possibly on your site. But here is the company welcome message. I'll just write a little test message in here, testing the page. And then down below is the company description. And now this is the scrolling area. I'll just put testing the description here. And I'll put a couple misspellings in here so that we can come back and edit this later, show you how that works. But then you have to add the company info. There's that tab at the bottom. And once you click that tab, you're going to get a red message at the top that says, your information's been added successfully. So at that point, let's go back now. There's a company's listing. And right there at the bottom should be the Dragnet test page. There it is. So let's click that and go see. All right, there's the initialized web page. There's some the text that we put in. You can see it there, the name of it, Dragnet test page. All right, so that was successful. Let's go back to the admin and look around a little bit more here. Let's edit the misspelling. I put an extra E on message. There's an X in description when it should be a C. Let me correct the spelling here. Let's make this bold, center it, and possibly change the size, so just to demonstrate that you can edit this text pretty fluently. Okay, your company details have been successfully updated. So now let's look at header management, because that header at the top of the page, you can change that. And you click add header here, and then it tells you the width and the height that the header needs to be. And then let's go and look at the video tab. You can add your videos in here. And here's where you put a title goes here, and then your video embed code goes here. We'll talk more about that in a future video. You can change your password for security reasons. You do that in this company profile area. Advertisement management, you can add ads. You just browse and you look for the image that you've prepared in advance, and then of course you can point that to whatever web page or website that is appropriate. Whatever address you just put in here, and that attaches to the image. And then link management. You can point your home link, your info link. You can point all these links to wherever that you want them to go. So in effect, this boilerplated web page becomes very customized. And so let's just go back to the video page for a moment. And okay, the size has changed as we edited it. The spelling corrections were made. And so that's really a good introduction to how to launch a Dragnet video page.